call
out there
for this morning. Ms. That's whenever you're ready.
All right. We are on the record in the matter of Darlene Gokenauer, file number 22152424.
All right, so we are on record today for a request to approve the second annual accounting. May I have the names of our participants, please?
Michael McFarland, attorney guardian litem, and I have prepared and filed my waiver and consent.
Thank you. Okay, good morning, Mr. Sawyer. There we are. Now you're unmuted. Your appearance for the record, please.
Attorney Don Sawyer, P23879.
Thank you so much. I have a note here in my file that we can expect you today on this particular file. Is there any presentation you'd like to make as it relates to the request to approve the second accounting?
Yes, I talked to Denise, and in regards to her fees, that's for both the first and second accounting. She never paid herself for the first one, so there's about $4,000 from the first one that was included, as you can see through the starting balance.
Thank you.
Also, in regards to that, all the money's not in her IOLTA account. There's only 13,000 in that. The money was invested with Morgan Stanley, the 143, and a prepaid funeral. So that's what happened to the money. She didn't keep it all in her account.
All right, well, thank you for those updates. Any questions on those items, Mr. McFarland?
No, Your Honor, I had called her office, inquired about the fees, so I'm satisfied.
Very good. All right, the court is also satisfied with the presentation as well as the documentation supporting the request to approve the second annual accounting. It does appear to be correct, and therefore the order does reflect approval of the second accounting as well as the fiduciary fees. Thank you, Mr. Sawyer, for appearing this morning. I'm sure our clerk's office will send you a copy of this in the regular course of business.
Okay, thank you very much.
You're welcome. Have a good day.
Okay.
Okay, and Powers, whenever you're ready. We won't need notes on these unless something funny happens.
I was just about to ask.
Yeah, thank you.
All right, we're on the record in the matter of David Powers, file number 5040536.
All right, we've got a request to approve the 5th, 6th, and 7th annual accountings in this file. May I have the names of our participants? We're looking for Ms. Eleanor Barnard.
Yes.
Oh, good morning.
Good morning.
Deputy Ames, would you swear her in, please?
Wait till you sit down. Can you raise your right hand, please? You swear or affirm to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth, so help you God?
Yes.
All right, Ms. Barnard, is all of the information contained in your 5th, 6th, and 7th annual accountings truthful, accurate, and complete to the best of your knowledge and information?
Yes.
Is there anything that you'd like to say about the work you did in this file? And how is Mr. Powers doing?
He's doing daily.
That's good. And are you able to see him very often?
I see him as long as the courts permit me to, yes.
Okay. How often does it do? Once a week?
Once a month, unless there's a problem.
Great. Very good. Well, we appreciate that. Mr. McFarland, I have you as guardian ad litem and all of your waivers. So I appreciate that. Is there anything else you wanted to say today?
Okay, everything's in perfect order.
Very good. The court is satisfied with the work and the filings as well. And I am signing the order approving the annual accountings 5th, 6th, and 7th. If you'd like to step across the hall to the clerk's office, Deputy Ames will take the file over, and I think they'll probably want to give you a copy before you leave today.
I have to.
Okay. Okay. Well, then maybe just wait for a minute and we'll get you on both. Which one is the other one you're on?
Hyper.
Okay, that one's next. Perfect.
Ready, Judge?
Yes.
Okay, we're on the record in the matter of Eric Matthew Pfeiffer, file number 93039-639.
All right, it's a new file, so Deputy Ames will have to swear in Ms. Eleanor Barnard once again.
Do you swear or affirm to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth, so help you God?
I do.
Okay, in this file, Ms. Barnard, is the 5th, 6th, and 7th annual accounting contain information that's truthful, accurate, and complete to the best of your knowledge and information?
Yes,
Okay, and how is Mr. Piper doing?
he's doing very well.
And are you able to see him on a monthly basis as well?
Well, what happens is both of these gentlemen, it's in the same house. So I get to see them twice, light it up. Yes.
That's great. Any other comments you'd like to make about your work?
Nope.
Mr. McFarland, I also have the waivers in this file on all 3 accounts. Very good. All right. Well, the court is satisfied. All interested parties have been notified. The work does appear to be correct and ought to be allowed and is therefore allowed. As I've already reflected on record, I have the waivers from regarding that item indicating there are no further objections. And so on this one as well, I have signed the order allowing the accounts. Thank you so much for the work that you're doing in these files.
Thank you.
Deputy Ames, if you wouldn't mind taking these files across the hall, Ms. Barnard will be able to get copies of her work.
Very good, Your Honor.
Thank you.
That was good holidays.
Our last 9 o'clock on the Hayes file.
We're on the record in the matter of Judith Ann Hayes, file number 8045951.
All right, this is a request to approve the 2nd, 3rd, and 4th annual accountings. Ms. Jackson, your appearance for the record.
Phil Jackson, P22822, I think.
Okay.
I'm appearing on behalf of Judith Hayes as conservator.
All right, very good. I have on the proposed order reflected that you yourself are the conservator, so it looks like we may need to modify the proposed order in this file.
I do have one
Okay,
prepared
very good. Deputy Ames, would you be so kind? Thank you.
for the 2nd, 3rd, 4th.
Thank you. Very good. All right, so you are the conservator.
Yes,
Very good, very good. Is all the information in the accounting truthful, accurate, and complete to the best of your knowledge and information?
yes.
All right, anything you'd like to say about your work in this file?
I have nothing to add to it.
Very well. I do have, let's see, I do have waivers on all 3 files. It looks like, does that sound right, Mr. McFarland?
I have notice of hearing. I'm not sure the waivers have been turned in. I was out of state, so.
My waivers and consent have been filed, Your Honor. The last one being, let's take a look, 6/10/25.
Yeah. Yep, I do have.
Familiar with this case. It has some somewhat unusual circumstances, so Phil and I have talked about this on several occasions.
Good. Yes, I do have your waivers on all 3 accountings. Are you able to maintain good contact with Ms. Hayes?
I see her about every 2 weeks.
Oh, that's great. How's she doing?
Today, not very well, but otherwise fine. Yeah.
All right. I'm sorry to hear that. Okay, anything else about the file?
I have nothing for you.
All right. Well, the court finds all interested parties are given notice for purposes of today's hearing. The work does appear to be accurate, and therefore I am allowing the accountings on the 2nd, 3rd, and 4th annual accountings. And unless there's any questions, that's all for today.
Thank you.
Thank you.